Vive le français! Bonjour chers amis. So something else that I want to talk to you about is what we say in French language, le terroir. Le terroir. There is a French expression called la richesse de nos terroirs. Terroir. Terroir, it means the hearth. And some terroirs, some hearths, different hearths will give different taste to the wine. So one thing that will give the taste will be le cépage that we've seen. The cépage is what type of grape you have, what type of grape tree that you plant, and what type of species. And it's the same for everything. If you take the fruit, the apple tree, you have hundreds of different apple trees. If you have the prune, you have hundreds of different prune. Of course, when you go to the supermarket, and that's very unfortunate, you always have the same 3 or 4. Why is that? Because you can make more money. The producer can make more money from the 3 and 4 type of trees, because they will give bigger fruits, they will give fruits all around the years or for a longer time. The fruit can keep for a longer time, but at this, also it means the fruit will not have good taste. Quite often it's not at all the same taste. So hopefully in France for the wine, for the cépage, for the grape here, we kept many of those. And in fact what happened is many people, including French settlers, when they came to the New World, so the New World is the New World wine, le vin du Nouveau Monde, that is Australia, South America, now China. So all these guys, they planted the same. They took the trees from France and they replant them in different places. So the only thing that will change the taste, if you are specialized in wine, you will know, this taste is this grape, for instance, it's a Shiraz, or it's Cabernet Sauvignon. Cabernet, or it's Cabernet, or it's Sauvignon, or it's Sauvignon Blanc, or it's they will know exactly what type of grape, but they will also know, oh, it is Shiraz from France, or it is Shiraz from Spain, or it is Shiraz from Chile. Okay, and here you can see I am here in Loire, and in Loire le terroir is very special because you have these big stones. This is the stone that we call silex. The silex is the stone that were used, and you have many. It was used to make fire. That's how you used to make fire. And Napoleon, we call this stone les pierres à feu. Les silex ou les pierres à feu, stone to make fire. And in the first, when they invented the gunpowder, you had only one shot, and you had the gun like this, and it will, the only thing, it will bang on a stone like this, and it will create a small flame, and the flame will light and then you will hold it, and that's how the first gun would work. And Napoleon, at the time of Napoleon, they will produce this stone here. There was some huge factory where they will cut the small stone for the guns. So you have some museum where you can visit this. And these stones, they are everywhere. You see, you have some big one, you have some small one, you see here some smaller one, here another one. You know, they are everywhere in the ground. I can show you everywhere. Okay, and it will have a big impact on the grape, on the wine, the wine tree, because the wine tree, the roots will go deeper, because there are all these stones. Then the ground will press. It will not be so compact. So it's perfect for the wine, and it means le terroir here is very specific, especially for the wine, the white wine, or the wine the taste is very different, because it's not too rich. The ground is not too rich, and it's very open. It can press a lot. So when the ground is not too compact, it means the roots of the wine tree will go deeper. Au revoir.